Hi everyone, welcome to my product review of Tube List Pro, the WordPress plugin that has come out today. This is Adam from Micanto Product Reviews. I am on my tester WordPress website, which needs to be updated as you can see up here, but I think we're going to be okay. Just a heads up, since I do use this to test out plugins and things like that, and run these demo videos, you might see stuff on the website that are not related to this product but might be from a previous review, and I've been too lazy to remove them. For example, this pop-up screen and stuff like that. But for the most part, we're looking at a blank site because I think, you know, it's easier to kind of follow the effects of a plugin when you're using kind of a clean slate. So I do my part to keep it clean enough. So let's go in here, and what we're going to do first is install the plugin. I haven't used it before, but I've looked into it enough. I've watched the demo video, so I think that I shouldn't have too much trouble showing you how to use this, and you shouldn't have too much trouble picking it up should you decide to copy this, to purchase this WordPress plugin. At the time I'm recording this video, it is only $17, and I give away a huge set of free bonuses if you purchase it through my review page. The link is below this video. Just wanted to get that out there. And you can also choose your own bonuses if you don't like the ones I'm offering. More details on the page itself. But anyways, let's go ahead and activate the plugin now. And what I'm going to need to do next is pause the video, because as we go down to Tube List Pro, it's going to ask for my license key. So let's go ahead and get that. Okay, so once your key has been validated, it brings you back to the dashboard. So we want to go back to Tube List Pro. Once you've validated, when you hover over Tube List Pro, you're going to see 3 sections. So let's go to the home area, which is right here. As you can see, a very clean presentation. Basically what this plugin does is shown right here. What it's going to do is create posts and pages with videos directly from YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how this works to my understanding. This is a good way of really adding videos to your website, which is something that you should consider doing anyways for all of your posts and pages. And the reason for that is, as I've mentioned on my review site, and I have to go there to get the exact number, but by adding a video to your pages and posts, you are also, let's see, 50 times more likely to appear on page 1 of the search results. And the advantages are twofold, because you're also 85% more, or internet users are 85% more likely to purchase something after watching a video, as opposed to just getting plain text, which is why in my review page I will put a video. This is the official product demo, which I've placed there. So, you know, things like that to consider, and this kind of just makes the process that much easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to create posts. And you can use YouTube keywords or channels. I'm going to use keywords. And let's see. What should we use? What keywords should we use? Let me think about this for a moment. Let's say we are making a website about football players in the NFL. Or should I say American football players? I might put Andrew Luck and Indianapolis Colts quarterback. I'm thinking about football because the NFL, I should say, because today is the day of the NFL draft, and I'm a huge fan. Peyton Manning, Broncos quarterback. Peyton Manning, LaShawn McCoy, newly acquired on my favorite team, the Buffalo Bills, running back. And I think that's enough. 3, you could go up to 5 here, but you know, 3 gives you a good enough example of how this works. Here you can select the number of videos to create. I believe the alignment will be in the center. Video dimensions, I'm going to leave those as default, but obviously you can set them to whatever you want. Show video titles, yes. Content above the videos. I don't have anything ready right now for this, but we can always go back and add content. For now, let's just add some placeholders so we can see where this would appear. So let's say this is a placeholder number 1. This will be number 2, just so we know we can identify each placeholder. Now here's one of the cool features of Tube List Pro. It comes with its own content locker that also has an opt-in box. Now what this does is, I'm going to enable it so you're going to see exactly what it does in a moment, but basically how this works is your visitors, let's say you have a video on your page that's revealing some valuable information that they really want to see, whatever that might be. You know, obviously it depends on the niche of your website, but you can lock the video and say, hey, if you can watch this video if you opt in first. If you give me your email address and opt in to my list. If this is disabled, they won't have to do that. It'll be a regular video that they can watch, freely. But this is a great way to get leads to your website. I've seen a lot of content lockers that, a lot of WordPress plugins that for the same price of Tube List Pro only give you this function here. So this is just an added function with Tube List Pro. So we're going to lock just to see how that works, and then we select a lock skin. I'm gonna go with, I don't know, with this one, or actually let's do the watch now. And in addition, you can export your leads to CSV format, so you can integrate with your autoresponder, but you don't have to. If you don't have an autoresponder, it's totally up to you. I would like to, even though I do have an autoresponder, and by the way, Tube List Pro is compatible with 8 different autoresponders, including the major ones, Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, etc. Even though I already have Aweber and GetResponse, I would like to also build a CSV file with the emails that I've obtained. So here is your unlock video text. By default, it's enter your details below to unlock the video, and the unlock button text is unlock video. I'm going to leave those as is. Show name field is yes. That basically means that you are going to ask for the person's first name as well. I'm going to turn that off, so what I'll be doing is only collecting a email address. So that's how easy it is to set up. Of course, normally we would have content here, but I'm going to create video posts, and let's see what happens next. Okay, so as you can see down here, success video pages have been created, and here are the actions. You can edit, preview, and delete. Let's go ahead and preview. There's our address up here. Here is the post. Very elegant. As you can see, remember that pop-up you just saw is not part of this. Now remember, we told Tube List Pro that we want 3 videos. It's up to you how many videos you want. So it pulled 3 random videos, completely automated. Here is the placeholder content text that we also, we didn't have any content to use, but if we did, we would have content and videos, which is very good for SEO. Now, what happens when we click Watch Now? Let's find out. We have to enter our details below to unlock the video. This is on the video itself. The only way people are going to watch this interview is if they enter their email address, and when they click Unlock, it begins to play. So let's see what else we have. Manage pages. As you can see over here, shows us the keywords and the channel title. Now, this is basically your analytics page. Now, look down here. We viewed this post, right? Tells us it's a post, not a page. That was our keyword. So all of this has been optimized within, you know, underneath, inside the actual coding of our post. Basically, it's been optimized for that keyword that we defined. But here's the cool part. Remember how I opted in. So it keeps track of the fact that I opted in and there is one unlocked click, okay, which gives us a 100% conversion rate, 1 for 1. So just a neat little tool here that keeps track of your analytics. And over here you have your integration with all of these different autoresponders, GetResponse, MailChimp, Aweber. As I mentioned, they're all there in Infusionsoft. So you can add these email addresses to your list, to your existing mailing list as well. And that's really about it. You know, again, this is a simple plugin that really makes it easy to create video posts and collect leads. I mean, there's nothing groundbreaking about this, but I believe it's important to have. It's definitely something that I would use because, you know, as I mentioned earlier, having videos inside your post is very good for your on-page SEO today, especially today. Videos and mobile are really driving rankings, so it's something to keep in mind. And again, if you purchase through my review page, which is linked directly below this video, I also have added incentives, which you can see on the review page. It's down here. You will get all of these bonuses shown. Too many to go through in this video, but you can check them out and take as long as you want. Or you can click this link and choose your own bonuses. I have, you know, hundreds of bonuses to choose from. You could choose 31 bonuses to replace all of these, or you could replace one of them. It's all up to you. Just follow these directions and you are set. So that is about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm doing a lot of demos for a lot of different products every single week. This is what I do. So that's about it. Have a great day.